We are learning to read our dictionary card. In this movie, you're going to read the words on the dictionary card from A to F, and then when you can read those words, then you can use them in your writing. These are the words on your dictionary card under the letter I. If, in, into, is, it. These are the words on your dictionary card under the letter J. Jump, just. These are the words on your dictionary card under the letter K. No. These are the words on the dictionary card under the letter L. Like, little, look, love. These are the words under the letter M. Maid, me, mother, mum, my. These are the words under the letter N. Nena, no, not, now. These are the words on your dictionary card under the letter O. Of, off, on, one, our, out, over. And these are the words on your dictionary card under the letter P. People, place, play, put. You can use your dictionary card to help you write words. If you can read it, then you can write it.